Are you juggling invoices, organizing receipts, and trying to reconcile your books after hours, all on top of trying to run your business? It feels productive, but it's not. What if I told you that doing it yourself might actually be slowing you down? In today's video, I'll show you how hiring a virtual assistant for data entry and bookkeeping and finance related tasks can help you free up your time and is actually the smarter strategy. Welcome back to the CEO Sidekicks channel, where we help business owners and entrepreneurs buy back their time. I'm Ryan Goldman, co-founder of CEO Sidekicks. Let's get into it. So you think doing your own bookkeeping actually saves you money? Think again. Time spent in spreadsheets is not time spent on generating revenue. And that's a mistake that can cost you big. Go in and audit how many hours you're spending per week on data-related tasks. If it's more than 3, it's time to delegate. You don't have to be a financial expert. You could just hire one. Our trained VAs can hire the entire back end, records, entries, reports, invoicing, accurately and efficiently, so you don't have to anymore. Make a list of all your finance-related tasks. Highlight the ones you hate. Those are the first to delegate. If you want expert help managing your finances and your data, CEO Sidekicks can help busy entrepreneurs just like you hand off that work to skilled virtual assistants. Book a free consultation now using the link below. You cannot scale what you cannot measure. And if you do not measure it, you cannot manage it. Clean, up-to-date books gives you the data and clarity you need to be able to make smart business decisions. Set a weekly rhythm with your VA to stay informed and in control and know what's going on in your business. Stop letting financial, admin, data entry tasks drain your focus. Delegating data entry and bookkeeping is one of the quickest wins you can give yourself to gain more clarity, time, and peace of mind. Today, list 3 finance-related tasks that you'll commit to delegating to a VA this quarter. If you're feeling burned out by spreadsheets and financial stress, CEO Sidekicks helps business owners just like you reclaim their time by connecting you with trained virtual assistants who are experts in admin and financial support. Book a free consult now and take that first step towards scaling smarter. What's the one task you never want to do again? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. If you found this helpful, you're gonna love what's next. Click on the video right here and keep leveling up.